Since we are present in India with APT India, with a well-working country manager there, and yeah, which first thing what I would like to point out before we go to what we have as new, it's the general situation in the market. We are struggling a lot here in Europe because of the less transportation, so it is tough business for everyone who is in this mass production industry, trailer market, truck industry, and so it has an effect to all of us. But proudly, we even in this time we push forward our projects, and something new you can see here. One is our electric operated sliding roof, which is available now for all European products in cases where we have dangerous locations where it is difficult to have hand operation. We have a very good feedback on that here. It's yeah, electric driven, with works with the board given electricity with a microcontroller, and it is, let me say, very simple to integrate. And we believe in a good new market niche, not only in areas where high security is counting, but as well because of the lack of drivers. So to get a good driver, you have to offer some comfort in future. And we see this more and more, and this addresses drivers who don't want to run around and operate something by hand, so they just push a button in future. Yeah, this is something we need to answer a little different, since our products by the concept are very sustainable. So the reason is that if you have a truck and trailer body covered by tarpaulin, then it is the most lightweight solution you can have. The result is that you have more payload compared with the vehicle weight. So the ratio payload to gross weight, it is the best solution you can have. So the whole concept based on tarpaulin covering, it's an advantage for sustainability if you compare it with containers, with box trailers, with whatever. That's one thing, and the other thing is our systems allows to drive in a covered position always, because it's so simple to operate. And then the driver really close it up for every ride. And if you have a closed trailer, then you have the best aerodynamic situation you can have. But based on that, we have done some tests with air channel, and know that can drop the diesel consumption from solution to solution a few percentage. So important. No, the only thing is, and the key is that the vehicle is always covered in use. So that is the detail shape is not so important on that. It is different if we go to the other vehicle what we have on our place here. We have we show a small electric vehicle for distribution purposes. There it's a different situation. There we have aerodynamic covering of the cabin and stuff like that to make sure that the consumption is as low as possible, not to drain out the battery so fast. I don't know if I can get your question right, but we are more or less a European country. So our main business, it's related to advanced logistics setups, meaning you need factories with cranes and a good environment for forklift load and so on. And this industry is given in Europe mainly. And so our business is a European business as on the main setup. But beside that, we have strong projects in overseas as well, but it's from the quantity today much lower because it's just project driven like we do it in India. To try to answer like I understand the question. We have some products what are made for Europe, that is our main industry, what you see here. But we as well have a different portfolio what is optimized for selling in overseas. Is a question going this direction a little bit? Yeah, no, today it is a little drop, but we have had years with 40, 50,000 roof kits a year. So that is the maximum amount what we know. But to bring this point out, we here as well have a new generation of our Vario system, which is available now. And this Vario system is well known in the Indian industry since we promote this there, which allows us with a limited amount of parts to serve all different body types. And that is something we will launch in the next month in India after this exhibition here. Okay, so we have what we as well exhibit here is a new generation of our sliding bow roof, which is known globally and is for optimized use of handling of steel coil logistic and something like this. And so there's a market niche everywhere. And there are some on the road in India as well. And we present a new generation of that here.